Let us see the next question here. An urn contains 9 balls. An urn means bag. Okay, an urn contains 9 balls, of which 3 are red, 4 are blue, and 2 are green. 3 balls are drawn at random without replacement from the urn. The probability that 3 balls have different colors is the question mark. Okay, is asking the probability of different colors. Look at here. I just said this is a bag you have. Okay, in that 9 balls urn contains 9 balls, in which 3 balls are red. 3 balls are red. 3 balls are red. 4 balls are blue. 2 balls are green. Okay, there 3 balls are drawn at random, 3 without replacement from the urn. The probability that 3 balls have different colors. So he's asking that what is the probability that 3 balls have different colors. This is the question. Okay, and this question asked in IEEE 2010, dear students. So we are going to solve this question. Okay, what is there in the bag? You just see that 3 red balls, 4 blue balls, and 2 green balls. And very easy question asked in IEEE 2010. You have to draw 3 balls without replacement. That is what the question is asked. So here without replacement, I have to take 3 balls. I need to draw 3 balls here. I have to draw how many balls? 1 ball I have to take out and I have to give it back. Again I have to take drawn 2 times. Then I have to take again 3 times. 3 times I have to take. And it must be get different colors. So required probability will be what here? If I take suppose different colors, so the probability of getting red ball is 3C1. The probability of getting blue ball is 4C1. The probability of getting green ball is 2C1 divided by the total balls are 9. So 9C3. Total you have to take out 3 balls from this. So 9C3. So if you simplify this, then your answer is going to get. This is what the required probability which is asked in IEEE, and it's very simple question. Hope you understand. This type of model I had explained in the beginning lectures. Okay, beginning lecture I explained 9 into 8 into 7 into, you can write here like upon 3 into 2 into 1, and you can do it. This is, I hope you can do it. 3 3s are 9 and 2 4s are cancel out, and you can take 3 cancel and 4 cancel. The answer is 2 by 7. So option A is the right answer. So hope you got. This is very simple question. Simple question. Let's move on to the next question. We just talk about the next question. Okay, I'm going to write the next question for you. So let us see here this question. Now we'll discuss one by one some questions. Okay, is it clear? Please follow here. The 2 numbers are selected. 2 numbers are selected randomly. Two numbers are selected randomly from the sets, from set S. From the set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without replacement. This is this, what is they said? And they said as 1 by 1. Okay, and they said as the probability that minimum of the 2 numbers is less than 4 is dash. The probability that minimum of the two numbers is less than 4 is dash. And this is the question asked in screening 2003. There is like screening test was there like J. So that is the question asked here. So 2 numbers are selected at randomly from the set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without replacement 1 by 1. You have to find the probability that the minimum of these 2 numbers is less than 4. So minimum of these 2 numbers, the minimum of these two numbers, the minimum of these two numbers is less than 4, that is equal to, is saying that minimum of less than 4, that you have to find, dear student. According to this, here the minimum of these two numbers is less than 4 is equal to 1 minus the maximum of the numbers great. This here the probability of so two numbers greater than or equal to 4 we can write. Okay, what we can write as the maximum, minimum in the place I can write as the maximum, otherwise I can write as both are greater than or equal to 4. Two numbers, na? The two numbers, so we can write as this here, both numbers to both are greater than or equal to 4, that is 1 minus, you know, there is the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the numbers greater than or equal to 4. It means this is the 4 5 6, because it's less than 4 I can write as a complement law, using the complement probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A bar. So we can use this here, and is saying greater than or equal to 4. I need to select how many numbers? Two numbers are selected at randomly from the set of this. You need to select the two numbers out of them one by one, and is asking minimum, so I going for the maximum. Maximum is 4 5 6. So 1 minus, in this to select, this is to select is you have to select 3 numbers. Out of 3 you have to select 1. So 3C1 divided by, first I select one number, 1 by 1 is set, without replacement is set. So 3C1 divided by total numbers are 6C1. I get one condition. One number I selected out, and then I without replacement means I throwed out. So the remaining balls will be, if I take out 4 number is taken out, the remaining numbers are 2. So 2C1, selecting them is 2C1 divided by here 5C1, because 1 is removed from the total, right? So that is, I can write as 1 minus 3C1 value 3 upon 6 into 2 upon 5. So 1 minus, you can write 3 ones are 3 twos gets cancelled out. So you can write as 2 by 10, and I can write as 10 minus, that is 8 by 10. So 4 times and 5 times cancel. 4 by 5 will be the answer. So options I don't know, I did not wrote. So the complete answer is 4 by 5. Hope you understand. Let us move on to the difficult questions. These are the simple questions I explained now. So we will move on to the difficult questions. We'll move on to. Hello dear students, let us see the one more question. This is asked in the previous year 2016 JEE. This question asked in JEE 2016. Let us see this question. Let two fair 6-faced dice A and B are thrown simultaneously. If even is the event, the die A shows up 4. A shows up 4. Event 2, this is what you have to underline, die A shows up 4, and E2 is the event that die B shows up 2, die B shows up 2, and E3 is the event that the sum of the numbers on the both dice is odd. Then which of the following statements are not true? This is the question asked in JEE 2016, dear students. Okay, let us discuss this question. Let 4 6-faced dice. So there is a die is there, that is 6 faces are there. The dice A and B are thrown simultaneously. 2 dice are thrown. Even is the even, the die A shows up 4. E2 is the even, the die shows B up is 2. E3 is the even, that the even sum of the numbers on the both dice is 2. Then which of the following statements are true? Option A, even and E2 are independent, even and E2, E3 are independent, even and E2 are independent, E2 and E3 are independent. You need to find which of the following is correct. And this is a JEE mains question, so one of the following options is correct. So the first event A I am writing, event A, that is event A is die A shows up 4 numbers showing. And E2, the event B is showing that event B shows that up the number is 2. And the event E, that is E3 events, that shows that the sum of the dice is odd number, sum is odd number, that is it showing. So here sum is the odd number. You all knows that sum is the odd number. That is, you will get 1 comma 1 it can't get. So 1 comma 2 like this you will be having, like alternate will be there. See, 1 comma 1 is a even, 1 comma 2 is a odd, 1 comma 3 is a even, again 1 comma 4 is a even, then 1 comma 5 is like 1 comma 4 is odd. Yeah, 1 comma 4 is odd, 1 comma 5 is odd, 1 comma 5, yeah, 1 comma 5 is odd. Okay, 1 comma 2 is odd, 1 comma 5 is odd, 1 comma 6 is the odd. Okay, addition is odd here. So other things, 1 comma 1 is even, right? 1 comma 3 is an even, right? So like that, likewise you have to select it. This is 2 comma 1 is odd, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, right? 2 comma 5, the 2 comma 6 will not get, then you can get 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma, like you will get like this. I just want to say it. This is 3 comma 1, no, 3 comma 2, okay, 3 comma 3, no, 3 comma 4, yes, 3 comma 5, yes, like here 4 comma 1, yes. See here you get 3 here, you get 3 here, you get 3 here, like 4 comma 1 you get, 4 comma, you are going to get, what is the number next you will get, that is 4 comma 3 you will get, 4 comma 5 you will get, 5 comma 2 you get, 5 comma 4 you get, right? 5 comma 1 no, 5 comma 3 no, 5 comma 5 no, 5 comma 6 yes, 6 comma 1 yes, 6 comma 3. See, sum is 7, odd number, that is what is saying. 6 comma 1 is an odd number, 6 comma 3 is a no, 6 comma 2 no, 6 comma 3 is an odd number, and 6 comma 5 is an odd number. Let us you get like this. These are the events of the sum getting odd, and event A is showing is 4 phase, event 2 is B showing 2 phase, and the sum is showing odd is this. So you have to find independent terms. Okay, even and E2, let us see they are independent or not. So even is what? Even is the event comes 4, correct? The A shows here, this is what is saying, 2 a fair fix, dice A and die B are thrown, one die is A, one die is B is thrown out. E2 is the event B shows on the top. So what is saying here, even is the die 1 and E2 is the die 2. It's showing a number phase 4, it is showing a number phase 2, and then you need to see that in the first phase is 4 and the second phase is 2, what numbers are coming. Probability of this will be what? This probability of A will be coming, what probability of A will be, you are getting only one number, no? One number means 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Probability of B will be how much? Probability of B will be 1 by 36, because phase number showing it this one only. See at number 4, if you throw die, you're getting the probability is that, right? You understand, students, here the thing is, probability of getting 4 is here when you are throwing 2 dice, when you are throwing 2 fair fixed price dice are thrown, they are thrown that. Getting 4 will be what? What is the getting 4 favorability? 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. This is the first die should get 4 comma like. Second die what is getting, I don't know. That event 1 is the A that getting the number phase 4. So these are going to get. So probability of A will be here, that is 6 by 36. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay, then probability of B, 2 getting is what? Here I am going to get 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. This is what I am going to get. And the probability of B will be here, will be probability of B. This will be probability of B will be 6 by 36, that is also 1 by 6. Now we have to check the options one by one, which option is correct. Okay, so even and E2, even and E2, even and E3, sorry, this is even and E3, this we have to check. So even and E3, odd is 4. Okay, now let us see here. Probability of even we know, probability of E3 will be what? What is the probability of E3? This is what I want to say here. Probability of E3, that is probability of E3 will be the event, this is, if you take it as a C event, what is the event? E1, and this is the probability of event 1. Okay, this is event 1 and this is event 2, and the probability of event 3 will be how much? Half of this, like here half of the things are covering there. So 1 by 2, probability of this will be 1 by 2. So here, so you are going to get here 1 by 2. Okay, so here 1 by 2, this is, you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 18 by 36, that is 1 by 2. So probability, all you have got the probability, we need to check which probability is correct here. The first option is probability of E1 and E3. So when we will say they are independent, probability of E1 intersection probability of E3 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E3, then we can say they are independent events. So that is what we have. Probability of E1 is what here? 1 by 6. Probability of E3 is what here? 1 by 2. That must be equal to probability of E1 intersection E3. So E1 is what? What is the E1 event here? 4 comma 1, this one, and event 3 is this one. In this common, what are there? 4 comma 1 is there, 4 comma 3 is there, 4 comma 5 is there. Anything other than that? No, you don't have. So this will be 3 by 36. 3 by 36 I get. So the probability of this will be 3 by 36. So 3 by 36 means 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 12, 1 by 12. So the first answer is correct. E1 and E3 are independent events. Okay, probability of E1 and E3 are independent events. We are going to do same thing simply now. What we are going to do here, we will check the other option. So option A is the right answer. JEE मेंस का क्वेश्चन है तो दूसरा ऑप्शन चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं ना, वी नो नीड टू चेक अदर ऑप्शंस. So option A is the right answer. So no need to check this one. If you want to check, you can check it as per it is as a homework to you. You can check it this. E1 intersection E2 intersection E3. Okay, I'll go for B option. I'll show you. If you want, I will show you all these things. Okay, so if I want to go and check the option B, what you can write here, option B here, E1 E2 E3. Okay, E1 intersection E2 intersection E3. So if I see that probability of E1 intersection E2 intersection E3, it must becomes probability of E1 into probability of E2 into probability of E3. Then this will be correct. So probability of E1 is 1 by 6, probability of E2 is 1 by 6, probability of E1 is 1 by 2, and the common things in this both you should get as 4 2 see 3 things you should get. 4 2 comes and odd number, 4 2 comes odd number, there will not possible 4 plus 2 is the odd, 4 plus 2 is the odd, is not possible, 0 here. So both are not equal, so they are not independent terms. Like E1 E2, let us go for E1 E2 intersection. Option number C, let us see this one. Option number C is correct or not. So E1 and E2, these are the both events you have, E1 E2. So probability of E1 intersection, probability of E1 intersection E2, that is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2, dear students. So probability of E1 intersection E2, this is combined here, nothing is there common, right? There is nothing is common in this both, nothing is common, so that is 0 here is equal to 1, then therefore this is also wrong answer. Let us see like that, you can find it, you know how to know the intersection like this. This is JEE 2016, understood students? So we will solve like this many questions on the multiplication theorem. Let us solve some more theorems. Tomorrow I am going to explain you a total probability, very most important total probability, Bayes theorem, most important. I'll take 2 to 3 days, I'll explain everything, Bayes theorem and total probability, most important for JEE. Every year question based on Bayes theorem I have seen, total probability and Bayes theorem, they are most important for JEE mains and as well as JEE advanced, and we will learn more things on that, and mainly for the Maharashtra CET these are not that much important. Maharashtra CET just asking 3 marks questions from this chapter, that's very simple. Okay, let us discuss in the next lecture.